Breaking news in technology. Artificial intelligence is accelerating at an unprecedented pace. New data centers are coming online across the globe, built specifically to handle next-generation AI models. At the same time, advanced microchips are pushing performance to new limits. More power, more efficiency, more demand. The race for computing dominance is intensifying. Automation is also evolving. Industrial robots are becoming faster, smarter, and more precise, reshaping manufacturing, logistics, and entire supply chains. But with growth comes risk. Global digital networks are expanding, and cybersecurity threats are growing more complex by the day. Experts say we are entering a critical phase, a moment where technology will redefine how we work, how we connect, and how economies compete. This is not speculation. This is not the future. This is happening right now.